we're stuck in a flash flood here.
In the early morning rain, with a dollar in my head. Well, I feel her if she's ready for flow. Oh, Mississippi, she's calling my name. Catfish are jumping, that paddle wheel bumping. Backwater keep rolling on fast, just the same. Oh, backwater keep on rolling. Mississippi moon, won't you keep on shining on? Oh, backwater keep on rolling.
Here we go. Oh my God!
Cause I got me a drop top, and if I hit the switch, I can make the ass drop. Had to stop.
Why it gotta be me, B? I just came to chill. Came to see the flicks, nothing more, nothing less. Try to show love even on a bad day. I roll up, never hold up, the L's roll up.
What? Take a left. Take a left.
Well, if it rains, I don't care. Don't make no difference to me. Just take that streetcar, let's go into town.
Holy shit!
In the early morning rain. Oh, Blackwater, keep on rolling. Mississippi moon, won't you keep on shining on? Oh, Blackwater, keep on rolling. Mississippi moon, won't you keep on shining on? Oh, Blackwater, keep on rolling. Mississippi moon, won't you keep on shining on me?
There's literally waves in the middle of the street there. Oh! Woo! Who's that? Hey, look!
Hey, you try to get over, you're gonna go under.
Oh, yeah. Holy shit! This dude's backing up, man. Oh, here comes another car. Here comes a car. Look at this shit.
Dude, I got a good video of us talking.
Oh my God. Dude, keep going. Are you fucking serious?
Go right! Go right!
Don't go right. Flash flood.
This is my umbrella.
Oh, we got another car coming.
Is this racist?
Huh?
Is it pointy on the tip? Is my head?
Yeah.
Does it look racist?
Yeah.
I'm out here hunting for ketchup.
You look like a unicorn. Garbage corn.
Sit at the side of the road. This is fashion. You haven't heard of the new fashion?
Dude, look at that
Wait,
shit.
let's get an idea.
Hey, go stand out there. How deep is it?
Oh, it's the
right. Holy shit.
Hear the mighty engines roll.
Woo!
She's still rolling on ahead. She's away westward bound. Far above the clouds she'll fly, where the morning rain don't fall, and the sun always shines.
Woo! Keep going! Don't stop! Oh shit, here comes the Z car again.
I gotta go cause I got me a drop top, and if I hit the switch I can make the ass drop. Had to stop at a red light, looking in my mirror, not a jacker in sight, and everything is alright.
Wow. Got some more brave souls coming through.
And they roll right past me, no flexing. Didn't even look in a brother's direction as I ran the intersection.
There you go, that's how you do it.
The early morning rain with no place to go.
Gotcha.
Let it rain, let it rain.
And I'm stuck here in the early morning rain with no place to go.
Don't stop. Go, go, go. Holy shit. That's how you do it. It's raining out here.
Now, when I seen this storm, I had to go grab my bag and throw it on my head to come check it out because it even flickered my power on about 3 times. So, I don't know. My damn television turned off.
Oh, look at that car. Oh my God, it's up.
Wow! Woo! 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 God damn, I love it. Woo! Oh, you see that bell trump? You see that bell? Bullshit.
So it's coming down.
Here it comes. It ain't stopping anytime soon. At least you get a free driveway cleaning. Woo! Woo! Tell you now though, it ain't fucking shallow. Oh, here comes the new one.
Got
It
more
looks like a
cars
truck.
coming.
Oh, here he comes. He got a van.
Here we got van right here. We got the utility van here.
Look at this place.
Woo! That's the internet guy right there.
Here you go. Go. Just go fast.
You got it.
Oh, he just cut 3 cars off, 4 cars off. Look at my cousin. Right now. Look. Oh, he's gonna stop there and then stop everyone. Look at my cousin. Here he is. My damn cousin. How did I know he was gonna be coming? He's right there. Oh, I gotta save him. now.
Oh shit, yeah, there's your cousin.
Fucking cousin!
That's your cousin.
Get back here! God damn it! I don't know how we're gonna explain that one.
Oh no.
Oh, he's going over to Aunt Sherry. He's floating. He's over there floating.
Yo, this guy's a dickhead. He turned everyone back around.
Man, do I wish I had a lifted up truck right now. I would be in this fucking little, I'd be out here in a 1997 K1500 Blazer 4x4 lifted up on 3 inches with 33 Mickey Thompson Heim stickies out here doing burnouts on bitches. About to take a swim though, cause it was hot as fuck earlier. You don't know when you're gonna get another chance like this. Fucking launch it from down there and just fly down. That'd be some badass shit right there.
Choose the sword, and you will join me. Choose the ball, and you join your mother. You don't understand my words.